Bullish ETH value expectation is $1,451.58 to $4,128.18. Ethereum cost could likewise reach $2,000 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2022 is $994.34. In Ethereum cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ETH to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Ethereum current market status. The cost of Ethereum is $1,309.03 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,773,005,620 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, ETH has expanded by almost 1.9% as of now. Besides, Ethereum has a circling supply of 120,527,651 ETH. At present, Ethereum exchanges digital money trades like Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Huobi Global. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local digital money of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that upset the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of shrewd agreements. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is energized by Ether. The diagram of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as an expected platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. Accordingly, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The shrewd agreements are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These shrewd agreements are sent and executed through the Ethereum Candy machine. Ethereum will change to the verification of stake agreement through the Union overhaul. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy serious confirmation of work since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum engineers have started planning for the POW2POS progress. The consolidation overhaul is set for September 15. After this progress, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value expectation 2022. The above graph of Ethereum spread out a falling wedge. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which interfaces the highs and the lower pattern line which interfaces the lows combine downwards. The wedge design overall shows a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example demonstrates a breakout in the cost pattern towards an upswing. From the above graph, we can decipher that the energy of the downtrend is dialing back. As of now, Ethereum is in the scope of $1,299.82 on the off chance that the example proceeds. The cost of ETH could arrive at the obstruction levels of $1,352.57, $1,509.02, and $1,797.85. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to $1,209.22. Ethereum backing and obstruction levels. The graph underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. From the above everyday time period, it is clear coming up next are the obstruction and backing levels of ETH. The graphs show that Ethereum has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $4,128.18. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum could plunge to nearly $994.34, a negative sign. Ethereum value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ethereum is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of ETH lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Ethereum is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, Ethereum cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, ETH has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. In the interim, the general strength record of the ETH is 38.45. This implies that Ethereum is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of ETH might happen in the impending days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Ethereum value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file of Ethereum. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Ethereum. Right now, the ADX of ETH lies in the scope of 36.59, and in this way, it shows major areas of strength for it. The above outline additionally addresses the general unpredictability record of Ethereum. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of ETH lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Ethereum is at 38.45, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of ETH with BTC. ETH. The beneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above diagram, we can decipher ETH as moving in a comparable pattern to BTC. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC builds, the cost of ETH likewise increments. Additionally, when the cost of BTC diminishes, the cost of ETH diminishes. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Ethereum could most likely accomplish $2,300 by 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Ethereum could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could mobilize to hit $2,600 by 2024. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $2,900. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $3,200. Ethereum Value Forecast 2027. If Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would energize to hit $3,500. Ethereum Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Ethereum holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could observe huge cost rallies. In this way, by 2028, ETH would hit $3,800. Ethereum Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, it would observe significant spikes. ETH could hit $4,100 by 2029. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Ethereum environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Ethereum for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Ethereum could hit $4,400 by 2030. And, with non-stop enhancements in the Ethereum organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ETH. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Ethereum in 2022 is $4,128.18.